Why are you laughing, bro? How's it? Exhausting?
No,
What about your costume? You look like you're about to act.
actually, I'm working with glass wool,
Okay.
which itches a lot because this is dubbing studio. We are working with glass wool, and also I'm cutting wood, so a lot of that substances fly into your eyes. So I have to cover myself properly, and I have a wound here, so I'm putting a gloves to cover that up. So this is the costume for carpentry.
I believe this room was also painted by you, right?
Sorry.
I believe this room was also painted by you.
Yeah, yeah.
And you didn't call anybody and did everything on your own. So what about this thing of getting into painting, carpentry, plumbing?
See, after the lockdown happened, Corona came, many people started doing many things. So I started doing carpentry, painting, and all. Just other life skills that I'm learning.
You do everything. There's not a single work. And how do you put so much of life into what you do? Like you enjoy everything you do.
Life, then when some famous actor is dubbing here, the wood will fall on him and his life will be gone. So I have to put life for sure.
Witty and funny. Oh, but I think you enjoy whatever you do. How is that
Of
possible?
course. You enjoy because it's a new challenge. It's a new thing you're trying. In life, when you don't learn anything, you become stagnant. But when you're doing something, it's exciting. It's a new thing, carpentry. I have never done anything like this in my life. So for the first time,
You
I'm
just
trying something. It might work or it might not work. We'll get to know only after it is done.
Oh, I definitely will because you are doing it.
But it's pretty exciting to learn a new life skill and do it.
How come you just brush your teeth and just get right back into work? I mean, how do you have that zeal? What keeps you motivated to
No, it's
be
fun.
like that?
It's fun. Like how kids get up in the morning and
No, but this
directly
doesn't
go
look
to
like
play.
fun.
That's what. It all depends on how you perceive it. For me, learning a new life skill, learning something new, doing something new is always fun.
But what about the wound, the scratches on your face, the wound on your hand?
See, actually, man was initially living in a forest. So there, any time, an animal could pounce on you, create some wounds. So it was for how we were conditioned to live. Now that we are in city, we try to stay so safe. Even for a small wound, we act as if something big happened.
But isn't this exhausting? I mean,
It's
by the
of
end
course
of the day, you
energy
feel
consuming.
okay.
It is tiring, but it's fun. So acting is tiring, shooting is tiring. So I kind of I'm used to that. It's tiring. That's all. It's tiring, but a good sleep. There is nothing that a good sleep can't
Fix up.
solve. Fix, yeah. So after a good sleep, you're back.
That's great. That's amazing. Amazing to hear. Good work. Keep up the good work.
Thank you.
And I think, I know it will all work out and the studio will be beautiful. Keep inspiring, keep motivating. You want to say something?
Nothing. So the dubbing studio is in making stage now. So I'm working on it from the last, I think already a week. So probably by the end of this week, the studio will be ready. So I'm excited, pretty excited that I am building my own dubbing studio. Actually, in Hollywood, US and all, many people do this, but in India we don't get our hands dirty so easily. But I wanted to give it a try, so I'm trying it. So it's fun doing it.
Great. Best of grace.
Thank
Keep
you.
going. What's that thing in your ear? You have become a pakka professional carpenter. You have become a carpenter. I heard so many people coming and asking you to get something repaired. few people coming to our house.
Assumed that it's a professional carpenter who is working in the house, and they came to check if we can fix their doors and stuff. So,
That's
it
funny.
was funny. Yeah. So today I'm working on the bidding and stuff. So the dubbing studio.
Careful with the machine, huh?
Dubbing studio is like coming to the final stages of completion. So I'm getting the bidding and all done. So
That's great. That's great.
it's good progress. So today we are going to fix all these things. This is one side wall. These are the walls here. So these two walls are ready. They are properly soundproof. So almost 7 days of effort, cutting us almost 8 hours to 8 to 10 hours a day of work. So
Gosh, it's a lot of hard work.
yeah, hard work, but it's fun. So it's fun to kind of put together and create something. So it's very exciting. So it's been an exciting journey. So for almost 7 to 8 days now. So we are finally nearing completion.
What is that? What are you doing, bro?
We are in the final leg of completing the dubbing studio.
But what
So I am buffing. Actually, I had put some clay here to cover up the holes.
Okay.
So I'm buffing it now, making it flat. Next, I'll paint over this and make everything look uniform. So I'm just buffing the extra unwanted parts now.
So how do you finally feel when it's like almost done?
It's amazing. So it's all come up very well. I even tested the dubbing studio. It's performing really good. So just now fine tuning the outer side. So today I'm going to buff all these things and paint the entire studio. So this
You
is
have-
the final job.
So you have really pulled it off. Very proud of you.
Yeah, I started on October 22nd. So it's November 5th today. So almost 13 days of work.
Amazing.
Small gaps, but yeah, good. It's coming. It's came out well.
Any final words?
So let's complete the entire thing. Then I'll show you around the studio.
Okay.
So that will be the final thing. So today it's almost like 95% of work over.
Okay.
But still some work is made. Let's see. Oh, hi. So
Shifted to painting job. Huh?
yeah, the final phase of the dubbing studio is like painting it and making it look good. So actually these drawings were done previously by my friends Vinod Acharya and Natasha. So now I'm just touching up the yellow portions and painting the overall thing. So the final leg of the making of dubbing studio. Today is the last day. So painting is the last job that needs to be done. So let's wait and see how it turns up once the painting is done.
ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ಗೂ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿಂಗು ಏನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಏನಿದು ಬ್ರೀತಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಉಸಿರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಉಸಿರು ಬಿಡೋದು ಆ ಥರದ್ದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, ನಿರರ್ಗಳವಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಬ್ಬಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು, ಆವಾಗಷ್ಟೇ ನೀವು ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ನ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮೈನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸು ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್.